And government radio and television stations were given due recognition in the Gandingan Awards. The details from Ria Fernandez.
People's Television Network was nominated as the most development-oriented TV station in the Gandingan 2014, the 8th UPLB Scotiscast Broadcast Choice Awards. Along with this, its affiliate government radio station, Radyo ng Bayan DWLC Lucena, was also among the finalists under the categories Most Development-Oriented Radio Station and Best A for its program Pulso Publico. Moreover, the local radio station bagged the awards Most Development-Oriented Radio Plug for Pilipino Ako and Most Development-Oriented Community AM Program for Pulso Publico. According to Margarita Atienza, one of the overall productions heads of the event, the awards are divided into three major categories. The General Awards, wherein the entries came from TV and radio stations in Metro Manila, the Core Awards, in which community TV and radio stations joined, and the Special Awards.
Ang General Awards kasi ang unique dito, yun yung sinasubject sa widespread survey sa university. So nakapag-survey kami ngayon ng 1,200 students para sa General Award. UPLB kasi Scotiscast Broadcast Choice Award nga tayo. So, bali itong galing sa General Awards, ito yung mga na-shortlist ng mga panelists natin. So we have 10 panelists coming from different fields. Tapos yung Special at Core naman, ito naman ay base sa naging desisyon ng panel natin, ng 10 panelists.
Meanwhile, Atienza spoke about the continuous challenge of the Gandingan Awards to the broadcast in the Philippines.
Pagdating na pag-challenge sa mga TV shows at mga radio shows na mag-produce pa na gawin nilang mas development-oriented pa yung mga pinaproduce nila. So isa nga itong hamon para sa lahat ng mga TV at radio stations. Dahil ini-aim natin na maging development-oriented at hindi lang mainstream, kumbaga naging cater to specific audience, kumbaga para mas maging empowered yung mga tao.
Historically, the people of Maguindanao used the musical instrument Gandingan as a tool for communication. For the People's Television, this is Ria Fernandez.